Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, As-salatu wassalamu ala Sayyidil Anbiya wal Mursaleen wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajmain. Amma ba'd, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. The topic for today's video is short biography of Syedna Omer Farooq radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. His name was Umar ibn al-Khattab and his title was Farooq. He was born in Makkah around 580 AD and he was 10 years younger than the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He was a renowned businessman and he used to lead trade delegations to Syria and Iraq. When the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam announced his prophethood, Syedna Umar became a fierce opponent of Islam. So much so that one day he took up his sword and left his house with intention to kill the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. On his way, someone told him to first deal with his own sister and brother-in-law who had already accepted Islam. He went straight to them and knocked at their door. He could hear the Holy Quran being recited inside the house. This made him furious and he started beating his brother-in-law and wounded his sister who tried to protect her husband. His wounded sister said in a resolute voice, "Umar, you may beat us as much as you like, but we are not going to give up our faith." This made him calm down and he asked them to recite a portion of Quran for him. Syedna Umar was so moved by the Quranic verses that his eyes filled with tears and he went straight to the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and accepted Islam. As he was a strong, fearless and influential man of Makkah, he proved to be a source of strength for Muslims. This miraculous change in Syedna Umar was in fact the result of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam's prayer. Syedna Omer Farooq was the second caliph of Muslims. In his Khilafat, Muslims had to fight number of battles against Iran, Iraq, Syria and Egypt. As a result of this, vast areas of these countries came under the Muslim rule. When the city of Jerusalem in Palestine was conquered by Muslims in 17th Hijri, Syedna Umar himself visited the city on the request of Romans and signed the treaty between the Muslims and the people of Jerusalem. Syedna Omer Farooq established a splendid system of administration for the Islamic State. Some of his main achievements are establishment of Majlis-e-Shura, a consultative body of advisor to Khalifa, and the second is division of the whole Islamic State into provinces to facilitate administration, and the third is establishment of Bayt al-Mal, a finance department and building of schools and mosques in different parts of the state, and the fourth is introduction of Islamic calendar of Hijrah. Syedna Umar was stabbed by a Persian slave while he was offering his salah in mosque. Syedna Umar he passed away on 1st Muharram al-Haram. Syedna Umar was a great Khalifa whose period of Khilafat was undoubtedly a golden period in the history of Islam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.